Namaste everyone. First of all, a very happy Navratri to all of you who are celebrating. In honor of the occasion, today I shall make a fasting friendly or a Vrat friendly paneer recipe. To make this, we need 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 10 to 12 cashews, half an inch of ginger peeled, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, some freshly chopped coriander, desi ghee or any kind of oil that you want to cook in. This is about 3 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is sendha namak that you use during the fasts, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half cup of milk. You could use milk of any kind. You could use a dairy-free option as well. And of course, we have paneer, that's cottage cheese. This is 150 grams. To start with, take a mixer jar, add the tomatoes, the green chilies, ginger and the cashews. And now we will churn them in a mix. We will blend this till we get a fine paste. That's the fine paste and we shall keep this aside. Next, take a pan, heat it, and once it is heated, we'll add in the ghee or any oil of your choice. Next, add in the cumin seeds. And now we'll add the coriander. Saute for 30 seconds. And now time to add the paste. Give this a good mix. Cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. You can see that the oil has started to separate out. It's on the top and on the sides. At this time, reduce the flame to a medium and then add in the milk. And keep stirring quick. You don't want the milk to curdle. So don't stop stirring till it mixes very well and cooks. As you can see, the curry is starting to come to a boil. Time to add in the paneer at this time. Cut it into small cubes or the shape that you desire and add it. Slowly mix in the paneer. You don't want to break it. I'm also adding some of the water with the leftover curry to get the desired consistency. I added about half a cup and now I shall bring it to a boil and we should be all done. You can see that the paneer has come to a good boil and at this time we won't overcook it. This is ready.